We've got some very good news. It just came in and we're going to share it with you. First of all, shout out and thanks to very good brother Ernest for sharing this with us. As you know, what we try to do is help individuals who want to exit, move abroad, to leave Canada, UK, United States, wherever. Good news for you, this just came about. In this particular case, the country is Benin. And Benin has some great news for those who are looking to be diaspora and become expats moving there. Our source, it's called My Afro-Origins Program. It's on their platform, My Afro-Origins, and that's where you're going to find these particular details. What are those details? Well, Law number 2024-31, which actually attaches itself to a previous law they already had in place. That's where your resources are. You can check this, and you're going to want to check the resources on everything. Do your due diligence to find out what the details are. This is just an overview summary. So it's the Benin Law 2024-31. Who's it for? African Americans and Afro-Caribbeans. What are they saying? They're saying that they will now recognize you and grant the movement forward for citizenship. Notice I said grant the movement toward that. Okay, they have a process in place, and the process, it involves you providing proof of either civil, genealogical, or ancestry connection to the nation of Benin. That's for African Americans and Afro-Caribbeans. This is this is great news, because so now we have another nation on the continent of Africa that is saying that we are recognizing what took place in the transatlantic slave trade, because that's what their information says, and it affected these individuals. Like, for instance, coming from Haiti, as a matter of fact. And there's the connection between those descendants and the nation of Benin. What you will need to do, just a little bit here, do your due diligence. I can't say that enough. Check the resources, go to their platform, My Afro-Origins, to find out information. You'll need to at least visit Benin. They'll position you for a 3-year provisional certificate. That gives them time to check you out, check out your proof that you have provided here. What's the cost? Roughly $100. And you need to minimally be 18 years old. So you need to be an adult to be able to take advantage of this. So once again, big news from the country of Benin. They are beginning to recognize those who are the descendants of the transatlantic slave trade. They're including African Americans. That's significant because a lot do not. They're including Afro-Caribbeans. There's a lot of emphasis on the nation of Haiti and welcoming those individuals to begin the process so that they might be able to participate in citizenship there. So I know this was a short video. This is big news because hopefully, well, let's see. Tell us what you think in the comments. Will we see other African nations begin to also move forward on this particular process, creating a pathway to citizenship for individuals who are involved in the Arabic or the transatlantic slave trade? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching.